Just another quick tip on the usage of Bluebeam Review. Oftentimes we need to dive into the help pages, and what I've personally found frustrating until I worked out how to overcome the problem was the navigation of these pages, because you'd go into help, you'd search help, and you'd go into a particular section, and you'd get various instructions on following a procedure and what have you, but getting back to where you previously came from, there's no obvious way to do it, but it's quite simple. You right click and you get given a backwards forwards refresh bar. I hope that helps somebody.